Going back to the spy web that seems to be surfacing in the north and the west of our country, it seems Pakistan was developing many assets in many states, and now a total of 11 people have been arrested in espionage cases. First, the vlogger that we've been hearing about, Jyoti Malhotra, who was arrested from Haryana, Arman, who was arrested from Nuh in Haryana, Tarif also was arrested from Nuh in Haryana, and also from Kaithal, Devendra Singh Dhillon was arrested in Haryana. Apart from Haryana, some cases from Punjab as well. Mohammad Murtaza Ali from Jalandhar, Ghazala, she was from Punjab again, and Yasin Mohammed also was arrested from Punjab. It seems Sukhpreet Singh from Gurdaspur has also been arrested, and Karanveer Singh from Gurdaspur. Also, some arrests in Uttar Pradesh. We have seen Shehzad from Moradabad and Noman Ilahi from Kairana in Uttar Pradesh. So, multiple arrests from multiple states. For more on this, let's go across to Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya, it seems there was like a web of spies being created, a network being created by Pakistan, and it's not limited to just the border states. It's also all the way inside Uttar Pradesh, which doesn't even have a border with Pakistan. So Pakistan was really developing a deep network.
Well, absolutely. Well, absolutely. There are at least 11 arrests that have been made in the Pakistani ISI spy case, which involves multiple state police, not just Haryana police, who's actually part of the major crackdown, because it's Haryana police that has arrested 7 people from the respective districts of Kaithal, Hisar, Panipat, Nuh, etc. But UP police has arrested one Shehzad from the Moradabad region. We've seen the arrest of Muhammad Ali Murtaza by the Gujarat police. Apart from that, there are 2 people who've been also arrested by the Punjab police from Gurdaspur. One of them concerned is Sukhpreet. So clearly all these arrests point out at the fact that this was an organized thing that was in working. Some of the people allegedly, because especially the tweet that came in from the DGP Punjab suggested that both the arrests from Punjab were people who passed on crucial information, that to movement of troops of our army during the Operation Sindoor. Those videos were allegedly passed on, is why this is a serious breach of national security. These people are being interrogated, questioned, not just local level. There are multi-agencies involved. That includes the Central IB, the Military IB, as well as the National Investigative Agency.
Right. Thank you, Shreya, for all those details.